Welcome to my videos. So guys, we know what's happening with Indigo Airline, and I hope the situation comes back to normal, because I'm seeing and you are also seeing horrible videos of literally chaos across almost all airports in India, and major airports are even much more impacted with the number of cancellations going too high even today. So guys, I am not making this video to blame someone for this cause and all, because we all know what's going on. But there's a lesson that we should take, and not just for the airline industry, for any industry. Guys, there has to be competition. If the control of a whole sector is majorly fallen into a particular organization, if something goes wrong, what's gonna be the impact? So apart from airline, consider all industries: telecom, healthcare, food. There could be sub industries under that. I just took a broad industry name. Natural resources. You just take the sector. There has to be competitions, right? And the onus is not just on the government or the organization. The onus is on us also. Okay. Now, why we now the problem is, like, if one big player enters a sector and they offer something at a very cheap cost, we all go for it, okay, abandoning our current provider who might be providing excellent services but may not be as cheap as them. And then after a few years we cry that, oh, there's no competition, everything is gone. So this should not happen. Instead, we should also make smart choices in our purchase, because that's how we can maintain the competition in all sectors. So whatever you are doing, guys, like, support competition. Let me tell you about what I do. Like, my phone provider, it's not the it's not one of the major providers here in Canada. I do get lot of offers from them to switch to their packages, but I haven't. I am sticking to my current provider for last many years, like more than 10 years. I am sticking with them, and I'm happy. I absolutely have no regrets. Okay. So this is why I am supporting competition, and I urge you all that you also support competition, just for saving some tiny amount of money. If you're switching your provider, remember, later on, if you don't support competition, if there's no diversity among organizations in a sector, you are gonna pay the price later, sooner or later. And it's not just about aviation sector. So guys, take this lesson, and I hope you got my message. If you support me, tell me. If you don't support me, tell me why. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.